Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 2x plus 1 because we have s, so I will put number 1 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to number 2 ds. First derivative of s, we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Next, because we don't have s, we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. S we change by this one. ds we change by this one. So number 2 and number 2 in here, we have number 4. So we have u divided by u square and 1 divided by u square, we keep the same. Next, the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have positive 1 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.